this thing that is produced today, and then how much do we make from that thing. So through the SCADA system, it can be in abroad, it can be from anywhere, it can be anywhere, and then you'll be able to visualize what is actually happening in the company. So Wonderware software is one of the latest software that is very powerful, which is compatible with all, let me say, almost all the PLC that we have in automation. So it is compatible with Allen, Siemens, Omron, like almost all the PLC, all the brands of PLC that we have in automation. And then we have this ePlan. ePlan software, OpenPLC editor. Non-embedded system and automation, they are somehow related. So, but in the embedded system, majorly you use C language. You program with C language and C++. But how can you now program an Arduino with ladder logic? And then you can now simulate that the same Arduino project through factory I/O. I don't know if you understand the point. That's what we are taking you to now. So after you have learned embedded system using C++ and C language, and you've learned PLC programming using ladder logic and then structured text. So we need you to understand that an Arduino board or ESP or STM, like different controllers, can also be programmed with ladder logic. Because ladder logic is very, like, if I say ladder logic program, I can actually understand that one rather than C++, where I need to understand, okay, this variable is declared here, this variable is declared here, this variable is declared here. Maybe I have about 1,000 lines. Before I can actually configure what is happening in line 47, maybe there's a condition that is controlling line, like code line 48 in line 1. So I have to actually sit down to study the system. But if I use the ladder logic language, that one will be very like I can quickly say, okay, this one is on, this one is off, this one is on, this one is off. Like it's more of graphical. Like that is more graphical. So in engineering, you don't jump with ladder logic. So like as you are here today, we can gradually train you on how to program Arduino with ladder logic. And not only limited to that, you'll be able to actually design an HMI, a SCADA system, which means you can link your phone to Arduino. That means you can control a process using your phone. Work on the MP4 boards. You see, we have advanced training now. So we have advanced training